Okay, could you introduce yourself and the company, please?
Yeah, my name is John Best. I'm Head of Sustainable Energy and I work for the James Fisher Group.
Okay, and can you describe the services you offer and the technologies you offer, how it's relevant to the renewable sector?
Indeed, yeah, happy to do so. The services that we offer through James Fisher are very varied, but the common denominator for all of them is marine services. We're a company that's 165 years old, so it has a very rich tradition. But over the last 15 years, we've particularly focused on the different types of marine services that we can offer to industry, and over the last few years, particularly the renewables industry. So that could be anything from provision of ROVs, remote undersea inspection, the provision of work vessels, the provision of lifting and moving large pieces of equipment around. We stop short of actually installing turbines, but we can work at all levels throughout.
Okay, and what would you say makes your company different to others who are similar operating in this area?
I think the one thing that really differentiates James Fisher is about that ability to work with people. We're almost too big to be little and too little to be big, if that doesn't sound a bit cliche. We sit in a very unique position, probably at around about a tier 2 level, and in some places we're a tier 1 level. For example, we're operating globally in Angola, working with BP on oil and gas. But at other levels, we're working on providing equipment and components, so we can work right the way through the supply chain.
Okay, where do you see your company going in the next 3 to 5 years? Do you have a particular plan?
Absolutely. We're very keen to see ourselves developing relationships, long-term relationships with key operators in the renewables industry. And I think that is one thing that's actually important for us. We're in this for the long term. We'd like to develop relationships where we can add value.
And you say you work all around the world. Is there any particular region that you have a particular focus in?
We have over 40 different operating locations around the world. We have 1,600 different employees. But in actual fact, in terms of renewables, UK PLC is really very important to us. We're a UK company. We're very proud of being a UK company, and with a particular focus on being able to improve the UK content in the supply chain, we believe that we have a unique set of services that can help to satisfy that requirement.
Okay, and lastly, what was your motivation for attending the event today? I noticed you brought along some equipment, your ship-to-turbine system.
Well, I think it's really important that we continue to engage with our customers and potential customers to keep them updated with the things that we're doing. Today we're demonstrating the hydro digger, which is used for cable, burial, deburial and various services there. We've introduced our ship-to-turbine transfer, which is very, very important for us, and potentially can cut the time for an oil transfer from 2 days down to 3 hours. And one of the other projects that we're looking at is our offshore wind management system, OWMS, which we believe again is going to be hugely important in terms of improving the workflow in managing a wind farm.
Fantastic, thank you very much.
I hope that's helpful.
Keen to see how your vessel and personnel are performing? Need a little help to manage your workflows? fed up with wasting time and money? The offshore wind management system has been developed to provide you with a tool to ensure more cost-effective and safe operations. The offshore wind management system from Strainstall is a simple, reliable way of monitoring and managing wind farm vessels, crews, technicians, major tooling and onboard spares. It provides the insight you need to improve reliability, efficiency, safety and costs across the entire lifespan of any wind farm development. During the project planning and pre-construction stages and right through to operations and decommissioning, the offshore wind management system makes life a whole lot easier. From a single workstation, you can track all your personnel, vessels and equipment, optimize in-field logistics to suit changing weather conditions, and produce a daily audit trail of project-wide data. Based on a series of optional integrated modules connected to user-friendly software, the offshore wind management system is designed to put you in complete control of vessels, crew and technician performance. The system works by compiling real-time data from multiple sources and presenting this through a secure, user-friendly interface. Armed with the ability to analyze and report data from whatever sources you choose, the offshore wind management system aids operational and safety decision-making during the course of the project. It also acts as an invaluable tool for planning and streamlining future operations, avoiding costly mistakes and keeping everybody safe and happy. With Strainstall's renowned success in measurement and monitoring systems in the marine, subsea and oil and gas industries, and parent company James Fisher's heritage as the UK's leading marine services company, the offshore wind management system comes with a great pedigree, backed by genuine experience, expertise and resources. Thanks to the offshore wind management system, you need never be in the dark again when it comes to vessel, technician and crew performance. Visit strainstall.com for more information.